Now let's briefly demonstrate the control of the AC Control Smart Switch. This is a smart lighting distribution box, and here we have a demonstration panel for lighting loads, and the human-machine interface for control. First, we will demonstrate the specific control, starting with the smart lighting panels. Button 1 triggers the all-on scene. Button 2 triggers the all-off scene. Button 3 turns on the odd number circuits. Button 4 turns off the odd number circuits. Now let's move on to the 4-inch screen control. All on scene. All off scene. Next, we will demonstrate the 7-inch screen control. Suppose I want to control these 4 lights as a single scene. All I need to do is turn on these 4 lights. Click Settings. Click Custom One, which save it as Scenes 1. Then let's test the effects. All off. All on. All off. Finally, we will show the control via the mobile app. All on. All off. These modules in this smart lighting distribution box can also be controlled manually. This is an 8-channel 16A switch module. All on. All off. This is a 4-channel 20A switch module. Toggle is to turn on. Toggle is again to turn off. This manual control can be used during power outage. Multiple control methods bring infinite possibility. Easy control intelligent. Smart living at your fingertips.